today our chapter is percentage. I make it the chapter very easily so that you can get full marks in this chapter. Let's start. Please join. Who join in my class, please write the name in the chat box. What is the percentage? Percentage sign is, this one is percentage sign. And how can I find the percentage? Percentage generally find on the 100. But today I tell you in the ratio, in the decimals, in every cases how we find the percentage. Okay? Start. First one. 2 to 0 percentage. 2 to 0 percentage expressed as a fractions. Expressed as a fraction. Means, what is this meaning? 2 to 0%. Percentage, this is a percentage, it expressed in the fractions. Means, how can you do? 2 to 0 by, what is the percentage? I tell you, it is calculated always on 100. So, I write 100. Now, simplify. 11 by 5. You can write up to this one. Otherwise, you can make it 2 whole 1 by 5. Both the answers are right. Anything you write, it is okay. Please complete it. Who can't understand, please write in the chat box so that I can explain it one more time. Okay, next I will go to the next math. Percentage. 2.5. You make it. I give you 1 minute time. First you make it. After that I will start it. How can I do? First, remove the decimal. Here there is a decimal. So you please remove it first. 25 by 10. After that, what you are doing? This is percentage sign. So what can you do? You remove the percentage sign and multiply 100 in the down. Clear? One more time I tell it. 2.5 decimal expressed into the fractions. How can you do this one? 25 first write, remove the decimal, write 100 and remove the percentage sign and into multiply 100. Because why write this one? There is a percentage, so I write 100 and that is 0.5 means I write 10. Now make it simplify. You do it. 1 by 40. Express it in fractions. So 2.5% means 1 by 40 in the fraction stage. In the chat box. Now, is it okay? If there is any doubt, please write in the chat box. Next, today I teach all the maths from the Agarwal. The chapter number is 9A. Chapter number 9A. Convert the ratio four is to 5 to percentage. This is our keyword. 4 is to 5. First, how can I write? 4 is to 5 I can write. After that, what are you doing? You write 4 by 5 like as the fraction form. 4 by 5. Both are same, but we make it like a fraction says. Now, I write change into percentage. We know percentage means 100. So, I multiply it by 100. Make it